Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you that it is very possible to make money with a very small account, an account that's less than $5,000. I was able to generate at least $1,000 with only putting up less than $5,000 in collateral by selling a cash secure put on Humanigen. You do not need a lot of time to sell cash secure puts. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Discord Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock markets. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. I did share this Humanigen trades with my Discord. It was on March 26th. I said sold a cash secure puts on Humanigen. Expiration date 16 April, collected $218. If we scroll down, another one was on March 16th. The same expiration, different strike price, collected $300. And another one, 16 April, 15 strike price, collected $450. And when I say collected, that means I received that premium immediately. So those are some of the trades that you will get from me. I do like trading options, penny stocks, growth stocks, just about anything to help us make money. And honestly, you can make that money back on your first options trade. So definitely learn from the 50 members that we have in our Discord. So definitely come check us out. I posted my link down below if you guys are interested. I'm only here trying to share my knowledge, what I know from trading in the past couple of years. Well, Humanigen made a big move today. They were up 50% in one day. And the reason being is that they reported positive phase 3 top-line results demonstrating that lemzirumab, also known as LENZ, improves survival without need for mechanical ventilation in hospitalized patients with COVID-19. So this is a biopharmaceutical company. When I first found out about Humanigen, the implied volatility was extremely high. As options sellers, we want to find high implied volatility, but at the same time, they do come with some risk. But at the time, the reward was much higher than the risk. And I chose different strike price just in case it doesn't work out. But majority of the time with cash secure puts, if it doesn't work out, what we can do is roll the contract over. So I sold a cash secure puts on Humanigen with my Robinhood account. And we take a look, the first order was filled March 26th. I received $218 immediately. This is put into my account and I can do anything I want with this money. You can actually use this money to purchase shares of Humanigen or any other stocks, or you can just treat yourself to a nice meal. And so this got filled. And then today I bought the contract back. So we can, as option sellers, buy the contract back early, and all we have to do is pay to buy it back. So in this case, to buy it back, it was 0.15. So for the limit price, we want to be able to multiply that by 100. And we multiply it by 100 is because there's 100 shares in one contract. So I paid a total of $15. So let's go back to this option order. Think of cash secure puts as setting a buy limit. When we set a buy limit, we usually set it below where the stock is trading at. So at the time, Humanigen was trading at around $16, I believe. I saw the implied volatility was still high because I sold two other ones beginning of this month, and I was able to receive $200. That is a 20% return in less than 1 week. So what are the outcome of this? The outcome is if the stock price is at 10 or below, at the end of the day on expiration date, which is 4/16, then we would have our collateral, which would be $1,000 to buy 100 shares at 10. So in order to sell this cash secure puts, we do need to put up the collateral. And simple calculation is 100 times the strike price. Think of the strike price as the buy price that you're willing to buy 100 shares of. Take a look at my other order. So 2 more orders, different strike price. One was at $12.50. So multiply 100, that's $1,250 I have to put up in collateral. So my brokerage will put that money aside just in case I do get assigned. So when we get assigned is if the stock price is at our strike price or below, then we will use our collateral to buy 100 shares at the strike price. If it goes above it, then our collateral is released back to us. We can use that money now to sell another cash secure put. But no matter what the outcome is, whether it expires in the money or out of the money, meaning it's considered worthless, we get to keep the premium. So this one was $300. The 15 strike price was $450. So I was able to receive a little bit more because it does require a little bit more collateral, $1,500. So I did create a Excel spreadsheet so we can see it all in one. We have the ticker on the far left. We have the total collateral. We have the premium and expiration dates. So the total collateral is $3,750. Total premium is $953. So that premium is what we collected up front. So that is a 25.41% in 1 month. And all I needed to put up was $3,750. So all we really have to do is find a stock that has a high implied volatility, and we don't have to spend so much time at looking at charts. We can probably spend roughly 1 to 2 hours a week to find these trades and just wait until they either expire worthless or we buy it back for a small fee, as you saw in the Robinhood portfolio. So here, all we needed was $3,750 in collateral. That's all we have to have in our account in order to place this trade. And then I also have Genius, Cents, and Cents. These are also cash secure puts. I had to put $750 in collateral and I received $107 total. That's a 14% return. Last month, I received a 20% return, and all this I sold $1,500 in collateral and $300 in premiums. They expired March 19th. So you do not need a lot of money in order to make money. This can be done part-time. And that's all I have for you guys. Hope you guys learned something new about cash secure puts, and people make a living selling options. This is just a great way to generate extra income. And we want to be able to generate income consistently. If you got this far, guys, don't forget to hit that like button and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We already have 50 members in there, and we would love for you to come collaborate with us and find the next hottest stock. I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.